Hi dear YouTubers, I am awake. Today we are discussing about proton. So what is proton? Proton structure and PDF. Joan Rojo. The inner life of proton. The many faces of the proton. Here we have some diagram. QCB bound state of quark and glucon. It is like springs in too much spring in a ball, like this. The many faces of the proton. UCD bound state of quark and gluon. Origin of mass. Here we have a structure of the proton. After that, the many faces of proton. QCB bound state of quark and gluon. Origin of mass. Origin of spin. Here we can discuss about what is the mass of the origin and what is the speed of spin of the proton. The many faces of the proton. QCB bound state of quark and gluon. Origin of mass, origin of spin, gluon dominated matter. Here we discuss about what is the mass of origin and origin of spin. After that, the many faces of the proton. QCD bound state of quark and gluon. Origin of mass, origin of spin, gluon dominated matter 3D imaging. Here we have also 3D imaging. After that, the many faces of the proton, QCD bound state of quark and gluon, origin of mass, origin of spin, gluon dominated matter, 3D imaging, heavy quark content. It means that it is heavy in the content. The many faces of proton, QCD bound state of quark and gluon, origin of mass, origin of spin, gluon dominated matter, 3D imaging, heavy quark content, nuclear modification. It means that it is, we'll discuss about what is meant by nuclear modification. The proton in the spotlight. Proton spin mastery gain in a clue. Here we have a diagram of proton spin mastery. Non-zero gluon polarization. Scientific American 2014. Nucleon pressure. The inside of a proton endures more pressure than anything else we have seen. It After 40 years of studying the strong nuclear force a revelation. This was a year that analysis of data finally backed up a prediction made in the mid 1970s of a surprising emergent behavior in the strong nuclear force. BFTL Dynamics, The Guardian 2017. Here we have such diagrams. Here we have a non-zero glucon polarization nuclear. After that, we have a diagram of nuclear pressure. After that, we can see that there are big pipes of nuclear force. The proton keeps surprising us an endless source of fundamental discoveries. It means it has too much fundamental discoveries from collider to the cosmos. LHC, new elementary particle beyond the standard model. Origin the properties of cosmic neutrons. Ice cube. RHIC, nature of quark gluon plasma in heavy ion collision. Here we have some diagrams of LHC, ice cube, and RHIC. From collider to the cosmos. LHC proton structure new elementary particle beyond the standard model. After that, origin and properties of cosmic neutrons, nature of quark gluon plasma in heavy ion collision. LHC is the proton structure, ice cube proton structure, RSC proton structure. It means that it looks like a proton structure of LHC, ice cube, and RHC. Parton distribution. Proton energy divided among constituents quark and gluon. Pattern distribution function determined from data global and QCD analysis. Here we have a diagram of proton in which we can see too much they like too much rings and they are small balls which is color of green and orange.